What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of The Pursuit is Happiness. This week's vlog is gonna be pretty weird, but also pretty exciting too. I'm taking a last minute trip home to Minnesota to see my family, and I'm driving there. So we've got a big road trip ahead of us, but the reason I'm driving is that I am transporting a moped all the way from here to Minnesota. Now, if you've been paying attention, you've seen that I have this new moped, right? It's awesome. I hesitate to even call it a moped. It's like a motorcycle. Well, before that, I bought a cheap, just piece of crap moped out here, and I was debating, am I gonna sell it or whatever? I decided I'm bringing it home to Minnesota and we're putting it up at our cabin. So, to start off this vlog, I got the boys meeting me down in the garage. We are going to try to load a moped into the back of the Subaru. Let's get down there. All right, so here she is. It's perfect for the cabin, but I'm ready to get this thing out of here. You guys ready to load this moped?
Yo, I got you an old fashioned. Cool, I didn't know you were gonna be here, man.
You got me a donut?
Yeah.
Cheers. So what we've got going on here, Mitch got the oil out. Now we're trying to take the seat off to get the gas out of this thing because this thing's going in my nice mobile apartment. I sleep back there, for God's sakes.
Yeah. There we go. There it is.
Look at that!
This is why I'm probably gonna die at 50.
All right, so we got the oil out, the gas is out. It's time to lay down the tarps and get this puppy in the Subaru. Get out of here!
Oh, there we go, we got it.
Yeah. There you go. Boom, there it is.
That's it. I call that a victory.
Thanks, boys. Way to get it done. All right. Well,
Let's go.
With that, I'm out of here. I'm headed to Minnesota.
Let's go.
Yeah. All right. Okay, we are all packed up, and it is quite a pack job. There's the moped. I have to have my suitcase up here to keep it like evenly distributed for weight reasons. I got my 2 travel buddies. But with that being said, we got quite a few miles to make, and I'm trying to get past St. George, Utah tonight. So we got to hit the road. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys real soon, and hopefully we'll have some beautiful scenery or something. So let's do it. Okay guys, we are out on Interstate 15, headed straight towards Vegas, straight towards Utah, and I just feel the tension and stress from the city just like dying off. We are going to be staying in Utah tonight, then tomorrow we're going to do a little bit of exploring on the way through the Rocky Mountains into the Denver area where we're going to meet up with Colton. That's right, Colton. You guys are always asking, where's Colton? We're going to see him tomorrow. Well guys, we are stuck in traffic in Las Vegas, which it's a major buzzkill, you know? We were just rolling right along, enjoying the desert, and now we're back in bumper to bumper traffic. Come on. We're headed out of Las Vegas, and honestly guys, the sun's gonna be going down, so I think the next stop is gonna be our hotel, which will be in Utah. So I'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? I just had to slam on my brakes because there's a police officer up here that completely stopped the traffic on the interstate here. Something weird's going on. What is that? That's another cop. Holy cow. Moving. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. It has literally been 3 hours and like 20 minutes and we're finally moving. Looks like this is where the crash was. Oh man. Oh, I see a motorcycle. Yeah. Oh gosh. All right, we're through the crash zone and about an hour and a half away from St. George, Utah, where we're gonna stay tonight. So I'll just see you at the hotel. All right, you guys, we made it. This is the room, as you can see, pretty nice. The bed looks just incredible. It's 1:24 and I'm really tired, so I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. I'll give you the run through then. Right now I just gotta get some sleep and then we'll come up with a plan. So good night and see you guys bright and early. Okay, we're in the car and I think today calls for the adventure hat. What do you think? I'm gonna try to scarf this down as quickly as I can and then we will hit the road. I think we got everything we need. Let's get going. Question that I've been wrestling with all day is, what do I do with the future? I mean, we want what we want, right? I want to be a better person. I want stronger relationships. I want a certain outcome to happen. But I think when we focus too far into the future, we miss the beauty of what's going on right here in the present moment. And I think when we start to recognize the goodness that's taking place right now, that brings hope, clarity, and it brings tremendous joy. The sun has set. It's been a beautiful day. We made it to the mountains just in the nick of time. But now we're gonna get to the hotel in Denver and meet up with the man himself, Colton Smith. So let's do it. I'll see you guys there. All right, you guys, here we are. And ooh, actually I think Colton's calling me. Yo,
just pulled up.
sick. Okay, I just checked in. I'm in room 311.
Nice. All right, I'll be up in a sec.
All right, sounds good.
Peace.
All right, yeah, here we are. Colton's on his way up. We'll surprise him with putting him on camera. People always love that surprise, don't they? Yo.
What's up, man?
What's up?
How's it going?
Good.
No.
What do you have to say to your fans? They've been waiting.
Oh my gosh, I have nothing to say. I really don't. I mean, I think, and I know you've touched on it before, but I think the one thing is just to keep your head on straight, keep your chin up, know that no matter what you're going through right now, there are gonna be better times. Register to vote, vote early, make your voting plan, get out there, use your voice.
With that being said, we're gonna chill out. It's been a long day.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I'm sure you're dying right now, but I'm
Dying for a beer.
Yeah.
All right.
Morning.
Good morning. I'm gonna show them what we got going, what we got cooking here. Yeah. Nice moped.
Yeah, you know, just a normal moped.
I think the fans want to know, like, what's going on in your life?
Well, so my wife and I just kind of on a whim said we're gonna move out to Colorado. We got the mountains now right in our backyard.
Got beeping trucks
Got
in the
beeping
background.
trucks, construction. You know, that's like the LA that I miss. You know, just noise. But, yeah, life is good.
All right, bring it in.
All right, man. Good times.
Yep. I'll see you down the road.
All right.
All right, guys, that was so much fun. I know I didn't film like a ton of it, but honestly, I just needed that time to catch up with Colton and just hang out like old times. But today's drive is definitely going to be a little bit more plain, no pun intended. We're crossing Nebraska and Iowa and then going straight up into Minnesota. So I figure let's just time lapse this baby. I'm ready to get home. So here we go. After 3 days and 13 hours of driving today, which we skipped right over, or at least you guys did, I'm home. Hey, doggy boys. Oh, Harvey, dude. Good boy, Bailey. Yes, such a sweet boy. All right, you guys, we made it. The dogs are all happy. They're happy to see me, and they are getting ready for bed, I can tell. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this vlog. It was a long haul all the way from Los Angeles east and then up to Minnesota. But it was a good trip, and it's just gonna keep ramping up from here. Gonna be hanging out with the family, most likely going up to our cabin and taking that moped for a cruise that we hauled all the way out here. So stay tuned for next week's vlog, and of course, as always, subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, or head over to YouTube if you're watching this on my Instagram TV. Comment, do all that good stuff, share it around. It helps out a lot. So I'll see you guys next week. Peace, love, and keep the pursuit alive.